Here is a quick overview of just how easy it is to use the Metabolic Stackers membership area. Once you log in, you'll be brought to this page, and you can see on this main page here, there's a video that describes exactly how to use Metabolic Stackers. Watch it if you want, or just jump right into it. It's very, very simple. In addition to the video there, you can see there's a manual. If you're somebody who likes to read, you can literally download the written manual, and it will walk you through how to use Metabolic Stackers, including several examples of how to put these things together. But it really is very, very simple. Let's say you're somebody that just likes to jump in, you want to get started right now. Literally all you do is you click on any one of these, and let's say you want to find a total body workout. You click on total body, and you can see there are many total body workouts in here. You just select one of them and do it. If you want to do an upper body workout, you simply select upper body, and the same idea. You can see there's many workouts, and you just do it. Here are all the lower body. Again, the same idea. And then the Metabolic Stackers, the core metabolic, all the ones focused to your core are right here. So if you want to put a total body workout together, you would select one from the total body, one from the upper body, one from lower body, and one from core metabolic, and you have a very solid 20-minute workout, and it's as easy as that. It's literally like stacking Legos. You pick one. If you wanted to do all core metabolic today, you could do various core metabolic workouts. You can see there's some that are set up in a style that are 30 seconds of work with 15 seconds of rest. As you go down, there's ones that are set up as a challenge workout. There are other ones that are set up to be 45 seconds of work followed by 15 seconds of rest, and so on. So you can see there's different varieties of not only within the types of exercise in each workout, but at different varieties in terms of the amount of work and rest time, or if you were looking for a challenge, you can select any one of these challenge workouts. The framework, the 30-15 framework, the challenge, the 40-15, and so on, that same framework exists inside of each category. So whether it's a total body, upper body, lower body, or the core metabolic, it's that same framework. That's it, you guys. It's so easy. Jump in, get started, and have a great time. Let me know how your workouts go. Talk soon. Bye.